Meejah.
Hello, and welcome to the Meejah channel. I'm your host, William Huw. Now recently, I've been looking at tabletop dollies, to get those smooth, fluid shots that we all love. But have you seen the price on some of those things? Now this got me thinking, what is a tabletop dolly? Well, basically, it's just a little trolley that holds your camera. Now I thought I'm sure I can build one for a lot less than these characters were asking. So I tried. And I did. And it cost me 37 pence. Yeah, 37 pence, and it produces shots like these. So there you go for 37 pence. And it's easy to build. Let me show you how I did it. So I was out and about and I popped into my local charity shop. I think they're called thrift shops in America. And in a random box of toys, I found this plastic car for a mere 37 pence. Why not 40 pence? I don't know. But 37 it was. As you can see, it's nothing special. Just a shell on wheels. But ideal for my trolley. The only other component I used was a broken pound shop mini tripod, which I already had. But even if I had to buy it new, it still would have only cost me £1. And I'll be using the broken top here as the camera mount. Now I've got the bits, I need to make sure that the mount will adhere to the car securely. And so to that end, I made some holes as close to the centre of the car as possible using a soldering iron. And there they are. Now, using a hot glue gun, I anchored some glue in the holes that I'd made. Then I filled the base of the camera mount and introduced the two together. Once the glue had set, it was completely solid. So I just attached the camera and I was good to go. The ball head of the camera mount meant that I could lock the camera into any angle I wanted, which was ideal. An added bonus was that I discovered that if I removed the holder from my selfie stick, I could screw it onto the camera mount and use the dolly with my mobile phone as well. Excellent! And of course, a table dolly does not have to be confined to the table. It's just as happy on any smooth surface anywhere. Just be inventive. So there you go, a very weird looking but nevertheless effective tabletop dolly for just 37 pence. Hope it was useful to you. Thanks for watching, don't forget to comment, like and share, and I'll see you here next time on the Meejah channel.